Hello, everyone. This is Amanda Ray coming to you with a quick video. For those that don't know, I'm a single mom of two, and I'm showing people how to earn a full-time income from home using the internet. I started my journey in 2015, and after failing miserably for over a year, I figured out exactly what to do, and I'm now coaching others on exactly how to earn a full-time income from home. So if you're struggling trying to earn a full-time income from home, you have reached the right channel. Please make sure to subscribe and hit the bell so that you can get notifications for upcoming videos that I put forth about different opportunities that's available for you to earn a full-time income from home. This information I'm about to show you is a program that I've been in since September of 2017. It's allowed me to earn a full-time income and walk away from my job forever, and I am not looking back. If you are not a friend of mine on Facebook, please send me over a request. This is my Facebook page. Amanda Ray is my name, and I will be able to answer any questions you may have. And if you're looking for a sponsor or someone to help you to start receiving a residual income online, I'm here to help. So what we're going to do is discuss a program that I've been in now, like I said, since September of 2017. It's called the Power Lead System. And for those that don't know what the Power Lead System is, I'm going to pretty much explain what it is and how it can help you to build a full-time income. So the Power Lead System is a traffic generation magnet. It's a funnel. It's a way that you can get leads and targeted traffic to your primary business. If you have a primary business online, you need the Power Lead System because it's going to help you to generate traffic. It's going to help you to start building a list, and it's going to also help you to start receiving commissions on a consistent basis. I have been out of commission for about a week. I did not have a laptop. It was actually being worked on. Something funky was going on with it. So what I'm going to do is just pretty much show you what I was able to earn not doing anything with the Power Lead System for at least 5 days, okay? And what I'm doing is for all of those who join me for the entire month of July, I'm going to set up your funnel for you when you come in as a Diamond, Platinum, or Master Traffic Institute member. I'm going to go over these different options that are available for you and just tell you a little bit about what happens when you join into the program, okay? You'll be able to become an affiliate of the Power Lead System. And as an affiliate, you're going to pay a $53 monthly commission. I'm sorry, a $53 monthly membership. And it's going to allow you to get unlimited $20 commissions, okay? And those are going to be residual commissions. So they're going to come in month after month for each person that joins as a gold member and stays a part of the Power Lead System, okay? At the Diamond level, you're going to make a one-time payment of $147. It's going to allow you to bring in unlimited $100 commissions. As a Platinum member, you're going to pay $497, and it's going to allow you to bring in unlimited $400 commissions. And as a Master Traffic Institute member, you're going to pay out $1,497, and it's going to allow you to get $1,000 commissions. When you first get started, all of these are going to be red, and as you buy in and complete these different tabs, they are going to turn green. Once these are all green, you're considered all in, and now you are able to leverage the opportunity by making the most money that you can. We get paid every single Wednesday, and as you can see, today is the 4th of July, which is a holiday, and we were paid today. So I currently have $4,231.88 that I can deposit into my bank account, and I'm going to go ahead and do that live where you guys can see this. And then I'm going to come back to you within the next couple of days and show you proof where this money will be deposited directly into my bank account. So you're going to be able to actually see my bank account where the money is going to be located. If you don't want to do direct deposit, you can also go ahead and get a debit card through the company where the money will be deposited right onto that card for you to withdraw your commissions, okay? What I teach people how to do is just to consistently get traffic to their funnel and generate a full-time income by having as much traffic go to your funnel as possible. You know, it starts off slow and it builds up over time. It does not take a long time to build a full-time income with this opportunity as long as you are consistent and you come in as high as you can, allowing you to earn the most money utilizing this program. So I'm going to go ahead and click here to get this money into my account. Now what I'm going to do is, once you click there, I'm going to click here, and then I'm going to sign in. And here is where I'm going to be able to transfer this money into my account. So what I'm going to do is just transfer funds. And like I said, you can request a card. You'll get one of these cards and you can have the money go there. But I'm going to just transfer the funds right into my bank account. The amount that I want to transfer is $4,230.88. I'm going to hit continue. And there's a $1 fee, which is not bad. I'm going to hit confirm, and then I'm all set. This money is going to be in my account within 1 to 3 business days, okay? And like I said, I'm going to show proof so you guys know that this is a real opportunity. We can earn real commissions, and you're gonna see this right into my account. So if you want more information about the Power Lead system, you want to connect with me to see how this opportunity works and to actually get involved in this opportunity. Allow me to be your sponsor and show you exactly how to earn a full-time income. I'll be more than happy to do so. My information is located in the description of this video. You can contact me. You can become my Facebook friend. You can just sign up. The link will be available, okay? Thanks so much for viewing my video. Again, please subscribe to my channel, and I will talk to you again tomorrow. Have a great night.